Once upon a time, in a small quiet town, there lived a clever little cat named Milo. Milo was no ordinary cat. He had bright green eyes, soft gray fur, and a curious mind that always got him into adventures. Every morning, he sat by the window, watching the birds fly across the sky and dreaming about what lay beyond his garden. One sunny day, Milo noticed a small blue feather stuck to the grass outside. He sniffed it and decided to follow the trail of feathers that led out of the yard and into the forest nearby. As he walked deeper into the woods, he heard a faint chirping sound. It was a baby bird that had fallen from its nest. Milo looked around and saw the nest high up in a tree. He knew he had to help. Using his sharp claws and light steps, he climbed the tree carefully, holding the baby bird gently in his mouth. When he reached the nest, he placed the little one back beside its brothers and sisters. The mother bird chirped happily and circled around Milo in gratitude. Feeling proud, Milo climbed down and walked home as the sun began to set. That night, as he curled up in his warm basket, he purred softly, knowing he had done something good. From that day on, Milo became known as the kind cat of the forest, the cat with a brave heart and gentle paws.